1. India and China are set to resume direct passenger flights after a suspension of over 5 years in A. November 2025, B. December 2025, C. October 2025, D. September 2025. Answer, C. 2. Which rating agency affirmed India's sovereign rating at BA3, with stable outlook in late September 2025? A. S&P, B. Moody's, C. Fitch, D. DBRS. Answer, B. 3. In October 2025, India's central bank, the RBI, held its key repo rate at A. 5.25%, B. 5.5%, C. 5.75%, D. 6%. Answer, B. 4. Which amendment bill introduced in August 2025 proposes removal of ministers if they are arrested for 30 consecutive days on charges punishable by 5+ years? A. 129th Amendment, B. 131st Amendment, C. 130th Amendment, D. 128th Amendment. Answer, C. 5. Which act passed in 2025 sparked protests over state interference in religious endowments, Waqf properties? A. Waqf Management Act 2025, B. Waqf Transparency Act 2025, C. Waqf Amendment Act 2025, D. Waqf Regulation Act 2025. Answer, C. 6. The Union Budget of India for 2025 to 26 included full tax rebate on income up to A. 10 Indian rupees lakh, B. 11.25 Indian rupees lakh, C. 12.75 Indian rupees lakh, D. 15 Indian rupees lakh. Answer, C. 7. Which operation did India launch in response to the 2025 Myanmar earthquake for aid and rescue? A. Operation Matri, B. Operation Shakti, C. Operation Brahma, D. Operation Sahayata. Answer, C. 8. In 2025, India signed a bilateral investment treaty, BIT, with which country? A. UAE, B. Israel, C. Australia, D. Brazil. Answer, B. 9. Which new immigration law replaced for older laws in India in 2025? A. Citizenship and Immigration Act, B. Foreigners Regulation Act, C. Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025, D. Migrant Control Act. Answer, C. 10. Which Indian state was approved for new Kendriya Vidyalayas by the Union Cabinet in 2025? A. Telangana, B. Odisha, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Tamil Nadu. Answer, C. 11. The Swachh Shehar Jyoti program launched in 2025 aims to A. Promote rainwater harvesting, B. Pair cities for solid waste management mentoring, C. Launch digital city planning, D. Provide solar panels to urban households. Answer, B. 12. Which country is India promoting the rupee's use directly with direct conversion under reforms in 2025? A. UK, B. Japan, C. UAE, D. Canada. Answer, C. 13. India was re-elected to Part 2 of the ICAO Council in 2025. What does ICAO stand for? A. International Civil Aviation Organization, B. International Council for Air Operations, C. Institute for Civil and Air Oversight, D. International Committee for Aviation Oversight. Answer, A. 14. which Naxalite counterinsurgency operation took place between Chhattisgarh and Telangana in 2025? A. Operation Horizon. B. Operation Black Forest. C. Operation Phoenix. D. Operation Iron Shield. Answer, B. 15. In 2025, the Finance Ministry stated that growth remains resilient but there is no room for A. Expansion. B. Complacency. C. Increase in subsidies. D. Foreign debt. Answer, B. 16. Which credit rating level denotes investment grade status and was affirmed to India by Moody's in 2025? A. BA1. B. BA2. C. BA3. D. BA1. Answer, C. 17. Which country imposed 50% tariffs on Indian imports, affecting India's exports as of 2025? A. China. B. United States. C. EU. D. Japan. Answer, B. 18. Which summit did PM Modi attend in China, after which direct flights were restored? A. G20. B. SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. C. BRICS. D. ASEAN. Answer, B. 19. Which scheme's Phase 3 was approved in 2025 to increase medical education seats in India? A. Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Yojana. B. New India Health Mission. C. Centrally Sponsored Scheme, CSS, for medical education expansion. D. Ayushman Bharat Phase 3. Answer, C. 20. What was India's debt to GDP ratio in the 2025 Union Budget? A. 50.3%. B. 52.7%. C. 56.1%. D. 58.4%. Answer, C. 21. What was the fiscal deficit projected in the 2025 Union Budget as percent of GDP? A. 3.5%. B. 4%. C. 4.4%. D. 5%. Answer, C. 22. Which Indian law, passed in 2025, sparked protests especially in Murshidabad and Tripura? A. Uniform Civil Code Act. B. Waqf Amendment Act. C. Waqf Amendment Act 2025. D. Religious Endowment Act. Answer, C. 23. Which digital-first census is India planning to conduct in 2027? A. First biometric census. B. First fully digital census. C. First satellite-based census. D. First online-only census. Answer, B. 24. Which amendment introduced in 2025 deals with removal of ministers on arrest? A. 128th. B. 129th. C. 130th. D. 131st. Answer, C. 25. Which Indian bilateral treaty was signed to boost investment in September 2025? A. India-UAE BIT. B. India-Japan BIT. C. India-Israel BIT. D. India-Brazil BIT. Answer, C. 26. Which act replaced old immigration laws in India in 2025? A. Migration Act. B. Foreigners Regulation Act. C. Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025. D. Citizenship and Immigration Act. Answer, C. 27. Which international organization's council has India been re-elected to in 2025? A. WHO. B. ICAO. C. WTO. D. UNESCO. Answer, B. 28. Under the Swachh Shihar Jyoti program, A mentor city helps improve which functions in a mentee city? A. Urban planning. B. Solid waste management. C. Public transport. D. Water infrastructure. Answer, B. 29. Which of the following was a key reform to promote the rupee's international usage in 2025? A. Banning foreign currency trade. B. Pegging rupee to USD. C. Allowing more rupee Vostro account usage by foreign banks. D. Replacing USD in all trade deals. Answer, C. 30. Which Indian scheme was launched to pair cities for tackling municipal solid waste in 2025? A. Amrut 3.0. B. Smart Cities Pair. C. Swachh Shehar Jyoti. D. Urban Waste Connect. Answer, C.